Alright, so basically I don't know, in the kitchen again with another one. So we got watermelon, ginger, and lemon. We're gonna be using this with some water and make a nice lovely juice today. Let's do this together. Alright, so right here we got the blender ready, and this is what we're going to be using to do it. Alright. I'm already prep up my watermelon. So it's not something which is gonna take long. It's a very quick recipe today. Alright, it's not gonna be taking too long to do this watermelon drink. It's gonna be very easy and simple to make. Alright, so the first thing, watermelon into the blender. Alright, yeah, so that's the watermelon. We got some more. Yeah, very excellent recipe. Watermelon is a very simple recipe to make. So I want to share this with you. Alright, look at that. Excellent. Alright, got seeds in it, everything, but yeah, it's just something totally different with you guys today. Alright, so we're gonna get the ginger and the lemon ready. Alright. So we're gonna use half a lemon with the skin. So this is gonna bring in a nice lovely freshness to it. And yeah, it's just gonna be amazing. All right. Then we're gonna put some fresh ginger into it with the skin on it. All right. Yeah. So here we go again. I know it is watermelon. You don't need to add any water, but we're just gonna put a little bit of a water to free up the blender. Yeah. Put on the lid. And it's just like that. Doesn't complicate it. All right, so before we go any further, just remember to get yourself a copy of my brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo, Secret Recipes to Success. It is available on Amazon. All right, go over to Amazon and get yourself a copy of the brand new book. All right, lots of people get it, but you don't leave your comments. So if you buy the book, go over and leave your comments. Good vibes. What we're gonna do, we are going to blend. Excellent. So here we go. All right, that's how it looks right there. So we're going to pour it off. All right, yeah man, pour it off. don't know if because of the weather why the watermelon them look this kind of way, but it's all right still, you know. So you want to make sure you get everything out of it. So that it is right here. Let's remove some of the froth. All right, fresh and nice. Excellent. We're going to simple pour it out into another container, and then what we're going to do now is, yeah, simple, pour it out just like this. Put a few slices of lime inside of it. Beautiful recipe for you to try at home. Watermelon, right, with ginger and lemon. Hope you guys will love this recipe. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We got a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas like this to come for you guys. I'm always trying my best to give you some of the most beautiful recipes ever. All right. So thank you once again. Stay blessed. And yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with more recipes and more ideas. So if you like this one, you know exactly what to do. Leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. And I will be sooner with more and an amazing, incredible recipe like this. Have a great afternoon. Stay blessed, and I will see you with more recipe. Bye-bye for now. Yes, people, so you don't know, this is how it look right here. All right, just remember to get yourself a copy of the brand new book, From Poverty to Purpose. Have a beautiful day, and I'll see you the next time with more recipes and more ideas, guys. Yeah, man, I hate that. Stay blessed.